Hi everyone, these are the answers to the electrical power hire questions. The image shows a battery powered drone. The battery in the drone can store 97.5 kilojoules of energy. When the drone is hovering, the power output of the battery is 65 watts. Calculate a time for which the drone can hover. Okay, so the equation that we need for this one is energy equals power times time. Now the energy is given as 97.5 kilojoules. We need to remember that it's got to be in joules, so we're going to times that by 1000. So the energy is 97,500 joules. Power is already in watts, so we don't need to convert that, and it's 65, and then times time. To get to time, we need to rearrange this. So we're going to do our energy, which is 97,500 divided by 65. And then the answer for time is 1,500 seconds. Remember that you need to be looking for these conversions because you'll drop a mark if you don't do that. Now the battery powers 4 motors in the drone. Each motor has a resistance of 1.6 ohms. When the power input to each motor is 19.6 watts, the 4 motors are connected in parallel with the battery. Calculate the current through the battery. Okay, so we're going to calculate the current for one of the motors first, and then because there's 4 of them, we're going to have to times that by 4 when we're finished. So the equation that links resistance, power and current is this one. So it's power equals current squared times R. Okay, so popping our numbers in, making sure we don't have to convert. Power is 19.6. Current we don't know. And resistance is 1.6. So what we've got to do here is rearrange. So for I squared, I'm going to do 19.6 divided by 1.6. And then I need to do, to get I, because it's I squared, I need to do the square root of that. Square root of 19.6 divided by 1.6. And that equals 3.5 amps. Now that is the current through one of the motors, but the motors are connected in parallel with the battery. When things are connected in parallel, the current's being split up. So that's actually telling us 1/4 of the current that's going through the battery. So I'm going to do 3.5 times by 4 equals 14. So we've got 14 amps that are going through the battery as a whole. Hey, thank you for doing that. If you've got any problems or if you've got any questions, please email me about it. Thank you.